A prosthetist is someone who received the training and certificate necessary to treat patients who have residual upper and lower extremity limbs using prosthesis. As my company faces several challenges in this industry, we decide to increase the production of this prosthetic leg. Making a socket that fits the residual is the first step in the fitting of lower extremity prosthesis. For instance, the socket is often made of fiberglass or carbon fiber that has been impregnated with acrylic resin. Over a positive representation of the residual, also fashion of thermoplastic. In instead of an above the knee amputation, a prosthetic knee is attached to the socket via a foot or ankle assembly.
The company is in the industry of producing prosthetic parts that help in replacing the missing body parts of a person, which is the leg. According to the analysis that has been done by the sales team, the performance of the company will show a decline in a few years, by far 2024. It happened because the current product will not stay relevant to the market anymore due to certain reasons that they have investigated, and a new manufacturing system of production must be proposed. In this report, we are proposing a study of designing plant layout of a new manufacturing system to improve the production of existing prosthetic leg. The project should run in early 2023 and the prosthetic parts will be marketed in 2024. According to Safety Culture, the manufacturing system is the production of goods and services by a group of machines, instruments, and procedures. It often involves purchasing, processing, assembling, and distributing the raw materials. The basic components of a manufacturing system are inputs, processes, and outputs. In this project, a new manufacturing system is proposed because it keeps evolving subsequently to development of technologies.
The prosthesis give freedom in addition to emotional comfort. Therefore, the background of prosthetic is not simply a theoretical history, but also the tale of humanity that since beginning of humanity who have been left with a missing limb due to birth, wound, or accident. Mobility and mental comfort are provided by a prosthetic, which is why the background of prosthetic extends beyond science to depict the tale of mankind since the dawn of mankind, whenever people were left limbless owing to accident. Prosthetic leg on the current market. The use of orthopedic prosthetic devices grows in tandem with the number of amputation. As a result, global orthopedic prosthesis market has grown, propelling market growth. Since of technological development and improvement in the growth of prosthetic. A prosthesis is a medical term for the artificial replacement of an absent body part. Prostheses are commonly associated with those that remove a missing arm or leg.
The first product step involves processing operations. When material is transformed using chemical, electrical, mechanical, or thermal energy to create a more complete product, by changing the physical properties and appearance of the product, each process action increases its value. Next, the assembly operation step is the second step of the product. According to new research, this prosthetic leg is made from different material from different parts. The second fundamental manufacturing process is assembly, which involves permanently or semi-permanently attaching components together. In application where the component must stay together or cannot be easily detached, permanent ways of attaching the component together are used. These processes, which include adhesive bonding, brazing, soldering, and welding, can be used singly or combination. Chemical procedure and parts like screw, bolts, and other threatened fasteners are combined to create semi-permanent methods of attaching prosthetic leg components together. This conventional chemical assembly make it simpler to detach the assembly if necessary.
In this manufacturing project, our team has proposed few effective production machines to improve the productions of the prosthetic leg. In this project, we are using automated infrared prosthetic oven, automated vacuum forming machine, lathe machine, milling and polishing machine, and lastly, the laser scanning. Automated infrared prosthetic oven, it works by heating plastics of some prosthetic parts. It is a quick, evenly and energy efficient process. Secondly is the automated vacuum forming machine. It results in accurate socket form to the patient's contour, which gives a secure and comfortable fit. Thirdly is the lathe machine. It used to shape metal part of the prosthetic limb. The machine has high accuracy and fast operation, thus it consumes less time. Fourth is milling and polishing machine. It ensures no rough edges by polishing the socket edges. The engine is durable, so the machine will last longer. Five is the laser scanning. The scanning process are precise and accurately done. Thus, for this production machine part, the automated and semi-automated machine was mostly used in this production of prosthetic leg to increase the efficiency. Less error and failure products will be produced by using the machine. Also, it will decrease the time consumed to make the product using the machine compared to the manual one. By using this machine, it will decrease the production cost to pay human labor. Thus, it increases the feasibility of the production. Next part of manufacturing system that I'm going to explain is computer control system. In short form, CCS. CCS is a system that includes high reliability computer, different variety of control modules with reliable properties, a motor drive unit as well as variety of sensors that are equipped with a software control system. The automated control gives better control of the process accuracy, thus it will increase the efficiencies, provide safety, lower cost and give higher outputs. The CCS involved will reduce the manpower requirement, but they are still needed to maintain and monitor the working process. As for the working of the CCS, sensors in CCS is used to collect the data. It is then input to the computer. For example, automated infrared prosthetic oven have optical temperature sensors to monitor the temperature of surface materials. And the oven are also equipped with sensor for exact measurements of materials. The system will provide feedback to the computer and it allows the machine to move accordingly.
I am going to explain on the human resources in the manufacturing system. Human resources department plays an important role to sustain the company, so the business will keep going. It involves the contribution of the workers along with improving their skills and knowledge. They are responsible to give position to each worker and recruiting the staffs. In the production of prosthetic legs, the workers are important to load and unload the materials and to carry heavy stuffs. They are also important to operate the machine, ensuring the machine is in the good condition and keep the maintenance of the machines. They are also needed to transport the material from the storage and to the storage bag. Even though the machine might be fully automated, the manpower is still needed in most part of the production. There are also many workers in another department that handles the sales and marketing of the product. But in the manufacturing aspects, the workers are to ensure the production of products run smoothly and deliver the best quality of prosthetic legs. Next is material transport. It is one of the functions that involve a material handling other than the storage and control in the manufacturing cycle of the product. To make sure the manufacturing cycle flow is in an orderly manner, the selection of the material transport is very important. In this production process, we move each unit of the prosthetic leg from one machine to another using a powered conveyor system, which is the belt conveyor. This will be convenient because less worker provision is needed and the shape of the products is not suitable to be moved by another conveyor. Next, to store the unit load containers into the place, we are proposing to use AGV pallet truck and towing tractor. For AGV pallet truck, loaded pallet will be inserted by the pallet forks that contain wheels and will be effortlessly driven by the worker. As for the towing tractor, it is suitable to carry more unit loads over longer distances around the factories or the warehouse.
For storage and identification system, manufacturing facilities frequently include a lot of working components and multiple sections that collaborate to create and assemble things and ship them to distributor or end customer. For AAS and RS types, automated storage and retrieval system allow storage and warehouse management business to automate material and inventory processes partially or fully. Often the cost reduction and efficiency benefits enabled by ASRS allow organizations to pay from the commitment in 5 to 10 years, providing the chance to generate a financial return in future years. For carousel storage model is a dynamic concept that provides store object to the system operator by using vertically rotating shaft. Carousel storage solutions significantly reduce storage process time and complexity. Furthermore, because they completely utilize the vertically space available for storage, rack carousels can be put in a tiny footprint.
In conclusion, the manufacturing system for the prosthetic parts, the leg, is feasible in the industry. Our team has proposed appropriate design plan layout of an automated manufacturing system that will increase the efficiency, accuracy, and detail to build a prosthetic limbs that come as close as possible as to being as comfortable and useful as the natural one. Therefore, by having this plan layout and machines to work, less operators manpower needed. Therefore, our team has evaluated the efficient automated manufacturing system to build prosthetic parts, which is feasible and will contribute improvement from the productions of existing products. That's it from our group. Thank you.